don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Bafana 0, Egypt 1. I'm joined by the Maginator. Hola, Steve. I get happy. I even had to, today I took myself, I said, you know what, I'm dressing up for the occasion.
You look nice.
Yeah, but I had to substitute.
Yeah. Pirates.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, I'm not impressed with the way the game was played. I get forced. Oh, bargain Foster or Frost.
But
that man who na actor go Fantastic Four. Go Fantastic Four na lo mongwe mosadi o kwatanyana. I did ready Frost. Na no again and I see that man was disappointed.
Too much, man.
And I don't know first of all, yes, Kibono Bruce Namo Patela for the last game, but now I'm not. Now you can't put wool up over my eyes.
It was lame.
Get clever.
Yeah.
This one as a player. Money from day one. You understand?
From Ghana.
That guy is a good agent.
Oh.
You understand?
Yeah.
And that guy is very fluent in the language of the Queen. Yeah, that's why I think let's go Bentley. Akorangi 2 goals after 13 games. Damn. Which means conversion ratio 6.5 games, 1 goal. Imagine that's a striker. And it's not even a striker like Mahopa that goes and collects and whatnot. No, he's just standing there like a stage.
Boxing.
If you put Mabasa there, and you say he must stand like a stage, you'll have 3-4 goals. That serial kill, very dangerous. So I'm not impressed. I get happy. Got the way battling. And I know Rodalaling leading neighbors are in. Zimbabwe will always pull their A game when it comes to us.
Why?
Zimbabwe's Musa like Kaizer Chiefs. That's why you'll always find Kaizer Chiefs' biggest, best players. They are from the Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is like Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs, when he plays with Pirates, they like that. You understand? Zimgi Chiefs. They pull their A game. Exactly. Zimbabwe Chiefs, literally. You understand? You understand? So they will destroy us. Yes, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try our best.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll do something brownish. I don't know.
A brown envelope.
I didn't say that. No, I didn't say that. Now I was just saying, or maybe we'll change a system. We'll change a system and we'll use a brown board to highlight how the game is going to go. But at the end of the day, as much as we think, Zimbabwe is not a walk in the park. They've proven to us when we failed to qualify for the World Cup and we had to play an extra game to qualify for the World Cup. They've shown us, or they are not a walkover.
What's your knowledge, Musona?
And that knowledge, Musona, comes with great knowledge about South Africa. Agari was here learning for the past whatever years.
Yeah, Alala Chiefs.
Exact. Urleng.
Alala Chiefs.
And then Warnengo Masha
Alala Chiefs.
Warakasande
Alala Chiefs.
No, I'm just trying to make you aware. Chiefs is actually Zimbabwe. And Aksoma Malga Ufela, by the way. You understand? Yeah, because it doesn't take much to play for Kaizer Chiefs like before. You see, before, it takes skill, commitment, dedication, and extra special thing. That spice. Now it just takes soccer boots and a good agent. What's in?
From Zimbabwe.
Do you know? Maginator, can you come through? We want to have talks with you. Not even Bobby wants to talk to you. The chairman himself wants to have a word with you. Yes.
What?
I've got a very lethal and dangerous left leg. Because yeah. Yeah, I had to control the left leg yaka, ne? So yeah, we am careful. Yes. So I was there and I'm thinking, I'm like, what do you mean the chairman wants to talk to me? But no, the chairman wants to talk to you. Some video somewhere you were doing some extraordinary things.
Go TikTok.
It was one video, Steve.
Ya Thabo J.
Ne ke le teka ne. Ke le teka ke le bia mo ka le ka.
Baba tla o signa.
Those people literally brought the contract in front of my face. Gar no, age indumeleli, time indumeleli. I'm a father. I have to focus on my kids. So about decline.
Chiefs ya patala.
No, yeah, but it's not always about the money, Steve. So I had to decline them.
decline.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mara overall, I'm happy that we have another opportunity to prove ourselves.
Yeah.
Let's do that and show them what we're capable of.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Hola.
I'm not. Uskava.